How's it going, everybody? It's Warner Fields from Fields of Profit. I'm a six-figure Amazon seller and full-time student. Today, I've got a really exciting find that I had today from a next door pickup. And I'm actually going to be diving into that and showing you how to tell whether or not your amazing finds are actually amazing. And the way we're going to be able to tell that is by looking at Keepa. So let's go ahead and jump right into the Keepa graphs and we'll show you what's up. So this is the book right here. It's called The Color Atlas of Microsurgery and Endodontics. That's a niche for you right there. And when I first looked at it, it said 600 is the price, which is good. I'm not going to complain with that. And it has a sale, right? So to me, I was like, holy cow, this might be actually a really good book. And it looks like on this Keepa graph right here that it might have sold for $11,000. Yeah, this price line is held here. But then I zoomed in a little bit and realized that it probably sold on this drop right here at $179. Which isn't, you know, that's not horrible. It sold for $200. I'm happy with that. I'm probably going to be able to get at least $200 for this book. And then I zoomed out and took a look at this, and it sells a couple copies a year pretty consistently. So let's zoom in on last year to see the prices it sold at. It looks like it sold at 300, and then here it looks like it even maybe have sold at 2,000, which would be crazy. Right here it sold at 300. Is this two sales here? No, it's just one sale at 300. We've got some sales at 500 back here and then 380. And the way I'm doing this is by looking at the drops right here where the green sales rank drops and the black line changes, right? So that tells me the green drop and then the price changed. So it definitely sold there. And you can see the used offer count also went down. So there's three good signs that there's a sale happen, and it happened right here at 373.64. So I looked at those and I was like, okay, cool. It'll sell for a couple $100. It'll sell really slow. I'll list it and it'll be gone. But then I noticed something weird here where the price didn't drop, but it sold at $7,000. So there is a chance that we could get a couple grand for this book. I don't know. It'll be interesting to see what happens. But this is just a quick little video to show you how to validate these finds, because a lot of times you'll get those that show up on Scout IQ. It says you made like $1,000 and then it just never sold. It's just a false positive. But in this case, it actually was a pretty awesome find. So it's going to go for a couple $100. But right here it went for 7,000. So I might wait it out and see what happens. I don't know. We'll take a look at these listings here. We've got one guy at 600. And then it goes up to 1,500 and then to 3,000. So we'll see. Maybe I'll try to hold out for this 1,500. That would be incredible. But yeah, it's just a quick little video I wanted to show you guys on how to use Keepa to validate your really good finds, to know whether or not it's just someone jacking up the price and seeing what happens and it never sells there, or in a case like this where it actually does sell at pretty high prices, but maybe not the prices you want them to. So yeah, I hope this Keepa tutorial of sorts was pretty helpful. Dive into this really cool find that I had, and maybe it can help you out in the future realize whether or not you got that $1,000 book you're out there hunting for. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, all that stuff. Help me out with the algorithm. Our TikTok and Instagram are also going to be in the description for more daily, consistent content if you want to keep up to date with us. We try to drop some knowledge for you guys. But yeah, that's going to do it for this video. Thanks, guys.